Dumbledore here, and today I've got you another episode in Canaries to the top. Now, there's been lots of speculation since the last video. I have signed, I think, one more player and got rid of a couple. So, here is the first signing. Al Ali finally agreed on terms for Bruno Cesar. Now, it's a 5.4 mil signing. He is a centre attacking mid, I think, and he becomes very good in later life on this game. I've had him before in previous careers, and he's bloody class. So, I need to update you. I sold, if I remember rightly, let me just check because I don't want to tell you false shit. Yep, Wes Hoolahan was confirmed on my career, and I sold him to Newcastle United for £4 million. They offered 2, I said 4, they can have him, and he went. So, yep, and there we go, confirmation. I've just seen that Grant Holt is no longer in my squad. So, I think there must be something somewhere. Hang on, it must be on the transfer news. No. Is that it? Yep, there we go. 1.8 mil he went for, so that's not bad again. Also, a very big result. I won all 3 friendlies. Every one I won by the same result, and Malaga was included in them games, and I beat him 1-0. I was absolutely over the moon. I know it's only 1-0, but Malaga. We were playing a Champions League club, and we won. So as you can see, the squad is now becoming stronger by the second. We've got young I suppose we've got young defenders, because Bennett, he's already gone up 1 within the 3 friendlies that I've played. Tete and Howson in the middle. We've got Bruno Cesar, the young talent. Look at that, he's absolutely brilliant. Really is. For 5.5 mil. I remember if I sold him like 25 mil, I think, like after 1 season of having him. Distant shooter, long shot taker. He's brilliant, really is. And then Wellington, them again, young talent. I mean, I can see this squad. Oh, I can just see this going really well. This could be one of the best career modes I've ever done. So, when we get to 18th, I'm going to do a little bit of another clip. So, it's not going to link this clip. So, oh, we've got a transfer offer, and that's Anthony Pilkington, a 2.2 from Sunderland. If you remember rightly, I did list Anthony Pilkington, and I would still like to sell him. However, I want more than that. So I'm going to say 3.2, and I will allow him to leave the club. So, a sim again. As you can see, my first game, like a real life, first season fixtures are exactly the same, and we have Fulham away. There we go, they've offered 2.9. I think I can accept that one. Right, I'm going to do a bit of a time shift, and I will be back any minute now. And I am back. Now, here we go. We are about to get underway for the match of Fulham versus me, Norwich City. This is the first game of the season, and we are away at what is Ivy Lane on this game, but for them it will be Craven Cottage. So, here we go. Come on. Look at that pace. Come on. Come on. Yes, Howson. Howson wins it. No. Come on. That's probably Clattenburg, bloody prick. We hate Clattenburg. Fucking dick. No. Go away. Thank you. No. I'm not. Oh my God. What is going on? Yes, Martin. Russell Martin. No. Oh, Russell Martin, the Norfolk Cafe. To Bruno Cesar. He plays a lovely through ball. He finds Snodgrass. He shoots. Oh, it's deflected and finds his hand to Stecklenburg. Oh, Stecklenburg. He signed for Fulham. Oh. I was about to say Didier Berbatov. I don't know why, but. Oh, Wellington them. Short free kick. Anthony Pilkington. Anthony Pilkington's just standing on the spot, and he's lost it. That's what I'm telling you, bloody prick. No! Ready! No! How is that fair? How is that fair? No, I'm not having that. I'm just not having that. Not fair. Come on. Shine. Tete. Come on, we've got to get off the halfway line at some point. And break. Snodgrass. Oh no, it's Russell Martin. Russell Martin's pushed up the pitch. Christ alive. Go on, Wellington them. He turns. He shoots. Oh, yes! Tete! Bastards! Bastards! That was not offside. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was in as well. Oh. I just aren't going to get any luck. Come on. Go on. Wellington then. Over to Howson. Tries to play a ball to Cesar, but he can't find it. Senderosa. Yes, that's a brilliant interception. Oh, go on. Nem with the pace. He turns. He shoots. Oh, blocked again. What is going on? Go on. Pass on. Come on. Tank it. Burrito. How is that a foul? How is that a foul? Gotta be pissing me. Fucking EA. Sort your game out. Way. Up yours. Oh, embarrassing. Oh my god, fuck life. Embarrassing. Come on, Cesar. How? What the hell? I'm actually getting really cheesed off right now because I'm losing 2-0 to Fulham. Why? I don't know. Tackle him! Up yours, ginger asshole. Oh yeah, because Nem was always going to win that, weren't he? Because he's so tall. He's got the height of a bloody ant. Oh, if you sweaty goal it, don't you dare. Come on! Right, I'm going ultra attacking. Stuff life. We're YOLOing. Come on. Why? Why? Oh, yes. Come on. Yes. Oh, no. No! I pressed pass. What the flip? Come on. Burrito. Well, it is Pilkington. You can piss off now. All I care. Oh, that was actually quite nice. Oh, that wasn't though, was it? Fuck's sake. Oh! Am I ever gonna score? Really? Oh, come on. Keepers, come out, keeper. Oh, for fuck's sake. This is the worst start to a season ever. I can beat Malaga, but I can't beat Fulham. Fucking Fulham. Oh. Go on. Bruno Cesar, he takes it round. He turns into the centre. No, that's a foul. About bloody time. Now, who do we have take this? Oh, he's got 85 free kick actually. I love that. He's really good at free kicks in real life. Snodgrass, he shoots his shit. That is shit. Oh no, there's a touch for a rapist. Bloody hell. Oh, she missed him. He's missed him. Way, up yours. Now break. No! What the hell? That's just not fair. Right, here we go. Second half. Whee! I think I'm going to be at the bottom of the table if I don't win this game. That means I probably don't stand much chance of winning the league. Come on! Oh, what the hell? What's going on? That's ours! That's ours! Thank you! Come on. Bassong's up! No! Yes! Oh! Shit, that was close. Come on. Yeah, come on. I haven't got all day, mate. Come on. Kick the ball, please. Thank you very much. We have a 15 minutes limited time video on this. YouTube won't allow us anymore, so you better kick it. That's what I'm saying. No, don't you dare sweaty it. Don't you dare. Way. No! Oh! Okay. What the hell? Bullshit, bullshit, bullshit of the week. No, come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. What did he say? Oh yes, he's missed it. He's missed it. Oh, what a shame. What a shame. Ooh. What a shame. Oh, Dimitar Berbatov. He misses when he wants. No, that didn't go off. Come on, come on, let's be fair. Let's be fair, that didn't go off, mate. Come on. Wellington then! Yes! Howson! Howson! Oh! Goodness sake. Bullshit. Absolute bullshit. Come on, tackle him, tackle him, tackle him. Tackle him. Keepers! Way, a miss. Honestly, oh, shittest game ever. I haven't even scored a goal. And I'm meant to be getting these to the top of the league. Come on. Howson! Go on, go on. Oh, what? Go on. Elliot Bennett. Elliot Bennett? No, Ryan Bennett. Right, it's time for a tactical substitution, I think. Who should we bring on? Nah, he's too slow. We'll bring on Elliot Bennett for a bit of pace. We'll put him on the left. Actually, no, we'll put Snodgrass on the left because he can play left mid. Elliot Bennett can't. So we'll oh, no, I forgot. No! Yes, Roddy. Roddy, kill him. Kill him. Yes, Roddy. Run! 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 Go! Go! Go on. Come on. Yep. Go on. Come on. We need to get a goal. At least one goal, please. I just can't. Oh, I don't think we're going to score, lads. I don't think we're going to score. Go on. That's a fucking shit ball. And he's offside. Just to add to it, he's offside as well. Yeah, you can piss off, mate. Fucking look at you. Fucking ladies on the side of your shirt. Alright, Brian. Come on, Bennett. Go. Oh, look, they're bringing... Oh, he sold him to Fulham, not Newcastle. They're bringing on Wizzy Houlihan. I'm sure they sold him to Newcastle. Unless Newcastle sold him to them, but I would doubt that. Come on. No. Hey. No. Oh. I'm not going to score. Go on. No. Yes, no. Go on, come on, son, come on. Go on, Tete! Yes! Look at that, look at that, what a finish, look. Finesse shot, boom, bitch, get out the way. Come on, two more. We're equalising. Come on. Yep, we haven't got all day. Come on, give us the ball. Thank you very much. Come on, now break. Whip. On Canem at the top left of the pitch. Yes, go on. You passed him. Keep going. Run. Run! He boxes it! He finds no one because it's a shit cross, but oh well. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Bruno Cesar, come on. Bruno Cesar, oh, bloody hell, that was close. Bloody hell, that is what I mean by long. Oh, he's so good. He's just so good. Oh, that was just like, oh, that's bloody annoying. Go on. We're just like, my team is just all of a sudden hyped up in the last like 10 minutes. Shame we couldn't do that at the start of the game. Oh, piss off. Piss off. Come on. Come on, we can get another goal. Come on. Show my subs how you roll. No. Oh, well, that's utter bullshit. Utter bullshit. Well, I hope you enjoyed this thrashing of a episode, but oh well. I will get you another episode as soon as I can with all the updates, and I'm sure you hope, I truly hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later, guys. Cheers.